This video is on a 1995 BMW R100Gs Paris-Dakar, 8,800 mile original vehicle. It'll be a cold start video. The bike has been sitting for about 2 days since we did the film of the riding video. Nice cold engine. Turning on the fuel petcocks. Give it a little choke. Just pretty warm, so we're going to try half choke to start. The bike did just complete a level 2 service. That's with choke off. Walk around the lights. Left blinker. Left rear blinker. Right forward blinker. Right rear blinker. High beam. See if I can switch it with the staying on there. Low beam. High beam. Low beam.